cases do you seek to deal? And what is the nature of that deal? Because there are some cases that, I'm sorry, you don't offer them a plea deal based on who they are and what they've done. No, you can plead guilty as charged and go to trial.
DA William Fitzpatrick does not seek justice. Robert Brooks was beaten to death while handcuffed behind his back in the Do you understand what Fitzpatrick, the DA, told each defendant at the pretrial conference on Monday, April 1st, 2025? Plea offers are made when evidence against the defendant are not strong. Plea officers are made in cases where the jury may not be convinced of guilt, not in a case of a homicide on videotape. Fact: a public jury trial would be justice. Expose full extent of corruption at Marcy prison. District Attorney also stated as part of the plea offer he has asked the United States Attorney's Office not prosecute. Such offer is a perversion of our system of justice. Announces at the pretrial conference he plea offers signed offered to each of the Marcy guards. Onondaga County District Attorney's plea offer to the sadistic correctional officers who took turns beating and choking an handcuffed inmate is not justice.
Supplement the email from Friday. The United States Attorney's Office for the Western District, as I think all counsel are aware, is investigating this matter. I am not authorized to speak for the United States Attorney. I have spoken to the Assistant United States Attorney who is handling the matter, and this may assist counsel in discussing the resolution of this with his client. They are actively pursuing the matter. I have suggested to them that the dispositions I have offered would satisfy the case completely. They have not agreed to that, but they did respond in a favorable manner, indicating they would consider that.
Matter of people against Anthony Farina, indictment 25035. At the outset, I'll note I have a number of requests from the news media to cover today's proceedings. Will you have a continuing, no objections, Fitzpatrick?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Is it Riotto, sir?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Riotto, do you have any objection to the media's coverage of today's proceedings?
I know, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to permit the same, and I will for future appearances as well, unless counsel should voice an objection. And Mr. Riotto, just to be clear, I believe it was Mr. Starzewski that appeared at the arraignment. You, in fact, have been retained to represent Mr. Farina in this matter. Is that correct?
What cases do you seek to deal? And what is the nature of that deal? Because there are some cases that, I'm sorry, you don't offer them a plea deal